Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save tabs in Chrome when shutting down. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. When you hover over it, a secondary menu will slide out to the side. From this secondary menu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will open a new tab and take you directly to Chrome's official extension marketplace, where you can browse and install various tools to enhance your browser's functionality. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type in Session Buddy. This is the extension we're going to use to save and manage your browser tabs efficiently. It's a powerful tool that lets you preserve your entire browsing session so you never lose track of important tabs again. After searching, you'll see Session Buddy appear in the results. Click on it to open the extension's detail page. On this page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click this button and a confirmation pop-up will appear. In the pop-up, click Add Extension to confirm the installation. Chrome will now download and install Session Buddy, which should only take a few seconds. Now that Session Buddy is installed, it's time to put it to use. Open all the tabs and websites you want to save. This could be anything from work-related research tabs to shopping sites or articles you're planning to read later. Having them all open ensures they'll be captured in your saved session. Once you have all your tabs ready, look at the top right corner of Chrome again. You'll see a puzzle piece icon which represents your browser extensions. Click on this extension icon to reveal a drop-down list of all your installed extensions. From the list that appears, click on the Session Buddy extension. This will open Session Buddy's interface in a new window showing you all your currently open tabs organized and ready to be saved. In the Session Buddy interface, click the Save button. A prompt will appear asking you to input a name for your saved tab collection. Choose a descriptive name that helps you remember what these tabs are for, like work research or shopping list. You'll also have the option to select a color for this saved session, which makes it easier to identify later if you have multiple saved collections. After entering a name and choosing your color, click OK. Your tabs are now saved and you can safely close Chrome without losing them. Whenever you want to reopen your saved tabs, simply click the extension icon at the top of Chrome, click on Session Buddy, and you'll see your saved collections. From there, you can click to open each tab individually or restore the entire session at once. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a system to save and restore your Chrome tabs anytime you need them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.